Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today, I got a little special treat for you. I'm going to show you how to take this four-wheel drive wrecker and turn it into a two-wheel drive with only using the Moebius parts. So stick with me. All right, I'm going to show you how to make this four-wheel drive wrecker into the two-wheel drive wrecker. First, let's go over all the parts you're going to need. Most of all the parts you need come with this kit, and I'll show you which ones you're going to need. First, let's look at that frame. Okay, this is the existing frame that comes with the kit. You're going to have to modify this. You're going to have to remove all this stuff right here, just like that. So your frame is going to look pretty much like this. Okay, so you're going to remove these mounts here on both sides, these mounts here, and this center mount here. Okay, you can leave these, and this for the radiator. Okay, all right, and then you use this rear axle, and then you're not going to use that four-wheel drive axle anymore. Okay, so you need that. And then once you change that out, let me get the right tree, you're going to need this piece here, which is included with the kit, the four-wheel drive kit. You're also going to use these here, are the I-beam pieces for the sides, and of course your shock absorbers, front and back, they come with the kit. Okay, now, when you assemble your engine, your oil pan placement's going to be in a different spot. This is the four-wheel drive one. You don't want to use that. You want to use this one here with the hole in a different spot. This is the two-wheel drive oil pan. See, they're a little bit different. This one's here at the end, and this one's towards the middle. So this is your two-wheel drive oil pan. So you're going to need that one. Okay. Then, for the rear suspension, you can use these existing springs, except you're going to have to trim off this notch here, just like that. Okay, and then that's pretty easy. Now, the only parts that do not come in the kit that you need are these I-beam pieces. Now, I sourced this tree off of eBay. It's from the four-wheel drive model that they already have out, the snowplow on it. Several other versions come with this extra in the kit, so it's not going to be too hard to source. You're also going to need this tie rod linkage, and then these engine mounts right here, so you can place your engine on the new frame piece right here. Okay, and then basically you just put it all together. And then for your wheels, they include the four-wheel drive wheels here, which we're not going to use, and then there's your two-wheel drives one right here, already in the kit. So this is a pretty easy conversion. The only thing you got to source out is this tree right here. It's not a bad conversion at all. It's pretty easy. At the end of the video, I'll show the still pictures again, so you can freeze frame it and see how you have to modify your kit to get it to look. This is how it's going to look when you're done, just like that. Now, I had to modify the drive shaft. Use the truck drive shaft it comes with, and then I took one that already came with it and modified it. Also, another modification you'll have to do, the power takeoff right here for the winch, I had to make a drive shaft for that because the power takeoff goes off the transfer case, and then now you move it to the side of the transmission over here on the passenger side. It mounts right there. And you run your drive shaft from there back to your power takeoff for your chain drive for your winch. So it's a pretty easy conversion. I'll show you the pictures of what I did. So stay tuned. You can freeze frame that and you can see how I did it. So I hope this helps everybody out. It's a pretty easy conversion. It's pretty cool. Oh, also one more thing I forgot to say. I bought these dollies, these wheel dollies, tow dollies from Iceman Collections. And he sells those on his website. This is what they look like before they get painted and everything. He's got 3 styles to choose from. So you can just go on his website right there, icemancollections.com, and buy yours. It helps finish off the truck. I don't know why Moebius didn't put those on there. It definitely makes it a lot more finished looking. They look really good. He did a fine job. He's got several styles to choose from. I just bought the basic ones. He's got all sorts of different ones, separate tires and wheels and braces and everything. So go ahead and go over to Iceman Collections and buy yours. And this is pretty much it. And until next time, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.